Hello, I'm Michelle, and today I'll be giving you a very in-depth guide on how you can start a professional corporation. We're going to be discussing the methods you can use to form a professional corporation, the benefits of forming it, and which are the best services out there that you can use to speed up the process and make it super easy for yourself. So let's get started. A professional service corporation is a type of organization authorized by the state law to allow owners of particularly licensed professions in the U.S. The owner of a professional corporation is responsible for their own negligence or misconduct, but they're not held personally accountable for the actions of others. So PCs and LLCs provide personal asset protection. That is, the personal assets are free from business debts. However, they do not have similar tax benefits. There is no secret formula as to which type of business structure is better than the other. It solely depends on the requirements of your business. You can either form a professional corporation by doing it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or send them off via mail. The other method that you can choose to use a professional service to help you with the process. There are many services out there, but we recommend you use the top three: InkFile, Zen Business, or LegalZoom. We have done a detailed review on all of these services, which you can check out on our channel, so you get a good idea of which one is more suitable and affordable for you and your business. I'll be leaving the links to the website in the description below. You can go there, check them out, or you can use lcbuddy.com/new and get the best deals at any given time. Now we're going to go through the steps that you need to cover in order to start off your professional corporation. There are specific professions that are allowed to form a professional service corporation, like doctors, lawyers, engineers, and accountants. You should be qualified to have a license to provide for your service. In most cases, once you've graduated with your studies, passed your exams, got your licenses, you may now form a professional corporation. However, if you work in an industry that doesn't offer a license or professional certification, you should consider forming a corporation or a simple LLC. Before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at lcbuddy.com/new. The business names should have the word PC frequently followed by the name of the principal owner in the place of Inc. or an LLC. No confusion with the government entity names, and you need a unique name that has no match. You need to know the limit of restricted words that need a license. A registered agent is also known as agent of service or process, statutory agent, or a resident agent. They're an entity that's going to act and work on your corporation's behalf. They're going to receive all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within your state. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your corporation. You need to make sure your registered agent is a resident of the chosen state, or at least has a physical street address over there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address. Our top 3 service recommendations offer registered agent services as well, but the costs may vary, so be sure to check out lcbuddy.com/new for more up-to-date information. A key thing you need to note is that when you're getting a registered agent, it's the importance of having a legit one. Because in case of any lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Most people believe that they're setting up their corporations for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting them is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal asset. And when you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your corporation. And this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? In writing the certificate of incorporation, the business name, owner's contact information, corporation address, and the registered agent contact information should be written. You should also include the names of all the co-owners. All owners have to prove that they have proper licenses to practice their specific profession. Depending on the state, the filing fee varies. The state filing fees could start anywhere from $40, which is in Kentucky, and can go all the way up to $500, which is Massachusetts. So if you're setting up for your corporation for free, using the DIY method, you're still going to have to pay the Secretary of State to register your business. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and operating procedures of your LLC. This document is vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolutions, and a lot more. This actually helps reduce future conflicts. The next step is to appoint initial board of directors in your professional corporation. All the initial directors must submit their details to the owner when writing the bylaws as a shareholder and owner. You must make sure that there is a point mentioned about a new director later. Some states require corporate bylaws to be recognized legally as a corporation. Now, corporate bylaws are rules and regulations of a corporation outlining how you're going to operate. You can draft bylaws either before or after you've submitted your documents. Corporate bylaws provide a roadmap for how the company is going to be run, how the decisions are going to be made. These bylaws should include the role assigned to each officer, how business decisions are going to be made, where and when annual shareholder meetings will occur, the percentage of shareholders needed to actually make a decision, and where and when dividends are paid. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify types of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active businesses. An EIN is needed when the corporation hires employees. Now, to obtain an EIN, all you have to do is go fill up a form online or by mail, submit it to the IRS. Now, let's go through the little bit of the top 3 services, see what they have to offer, just so you have an idea of what they are. So this is the website for InkFile. Now, what you can see is you can just directly jump and start your business, or you can just go through this website and you're going to see all the things that they have to offer here, the packages, services, a little bit of intro about what they're about. Just jump up and see what kind of services they're offering. So now you can see you can form an LLC, you can form a C Corp, you can form an S Corp, you can form a non-profit. There's a lot going on here that you can just choose. You can also get these services as an add-on to your business, or you can just get them separately. They have a lot of resources. You can go, you can read up things if you want to get to know more about your business, how to start your business, how to grow your business. There are tools and there are guides all over this website. You can go through here, you can learn more about the company itself, or you can just click on Form Your LLC right now and you can see how you can form it. The kind of services that they're offering is you can go through different services separately, such as the EIN number, you can get a DBA, you can get an S Corp election that you've been searching for, you can get free tax consultation, you can get a trademark, you can form an S Corp as we're discussing, you can form an S Corp, you can form a corporation, you can just go and form a simple LLC. So this is the LegalZoom website. As you can see, there's so many options up here for business, personal, or you can even hire attorneys through their website. As you scroll down, you can go in through all the things that they're offering, why you should choose them. There's legal help for every part, for their business, for LLCs, corporations, DBAs, for family stuff like estate planning, last will, power of attorney. Also for intellectual property such as trademarks, copyrights, and patents. Now you can even go through a list of customers and clientele and what they have to say about the company itself. All their offerings such as sole proprietorship, register your business as an LLC or corporation, C Corp, S Corp. You can run the business, how you can get registered agent services, annual reports. There's also stuff that you can get like such as trademark recognition, trademark search if you're going through that as well. Now here we have the website for Zen Business. There directly you can start off your LLC there. You can check up for the business name search as well. Go through that. Or you can compare your packages. What are they offering? There are 3 kinds of plans: a starter plan, pro plan, and a premium plan. So you can choose which one is offering better for you, which one is more suitable for your business, and you can just go with that. Then you can scroll furthermore. There are business types such as LLC, C Corp, S Corp. You can start any of those if you want, if you're thinking of looking into that. And there's for small businesses, and you can have your filing options and services. You can file documents with the state. All the steps that you need and that are required of you are available here. So over here, if you click up in the plan and start part, you can find business planning guides, how much your startup going to cost, research your market, make a business plan, all about marketing, how about starting your business. Products and pricing, they're going to give up the prices and the packages they're offering for all the services being offered, like forming LLCs, S Corp, corporation, DBAs, operating agreement, everything. You can use them to brand your business, such as a business name checker, reserve a business name, register a domain, build a website. They all even offer that. Or you can go through banking and finances, where you can open a bank account, or you can manage your finances through them. You can run and grow your business, in which you can get taxes and accounting, compliant forms, and you can grow your business, get fundings. And why do you need Zen Business? There's an About Us. You can go through that. Why is it a more suitable option for you? You can learn through there. The advantages that you get from a professional corporation is number one, limited liability. This indicates that only the company's assets will be confiscated and settle claims and creditors if the business is sued or declares bankruptcy. You can get tax reductions to retain your earnings. I really hope this guide has helped you out in understanding if you need to form a professional corporation and the steps that you need to take to ensure that your filing is done correctly. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.